Remember, settle yourself, use a condom if you don't have money for mind pitney, and if you and your woman don't live under the same roof. And you see, if you and she in an argument constantly, it don't make no sense on say you gonna have pitney to try to make it work. No! Me never see work yet after kids born. We work out whatever issue we had prior to having kids. Big up my son, big up my daughter. But after kids them born, the first problem, our second problem we have, relationship done. Single mom, single dad. So again, make sure the person who not gonna have a child with or kids with is the right person. You have to know that means you have to spend time with them. No matter breed, nobody have for 6 months. Know that a honeymoon phase. Wait, see if you and the person have the same values. See if you and the same person want the same thing out of life. You understand? Only on the same page.